Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words for today. Number one is a family member. Yes, correct. Number two, can you say it? Very good. Empty. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer loves her grandmother. Jennifer loves her grandmother. Grandmother. We don't pronounce the D. Your grandmother is your mother's mother or your father's mother. Now we can make a flashcard for grandmother and grandfather. Also, we don't pronounce the D. Please make a card like this. Write grandmother up here in the top left corner. GRANDMOTHER. Down here in this corner, FAM1. This means family level 1. And over here the number 9 out of 19. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Grandmother. Grandmother. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. The box is empty. The box is empty. Empty. There isn't anything in the box. There is nothing in the box. Now we can make a flashcard for empty. The opposite is full. The box is full. Please make a card like this. Write be empty up here in the top left corner. EMPTY. And down here the code. A1 we are learning now. Adjective level 1. And over here the number 25 out of 88. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Empty. Game over. You did very well today. Bob loves his grandfather and his... Correct. And the bottle is empty. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1 is similar to a car. Taxi. Very good. Number 2, can you say it? Daily. Yeah, this means every day. And number 3, to do something lightly. Yes, this is similar to softly. Today is Tuesday, July 8th. If you are new welcome. This is a complete 2-year course. You can join anytime. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.